embarking on a
Please have all children fully seated on their back pockets. Thank you.
Portland Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. Those of you who are this is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
The station also serves Adventureland, Frontierland, the Bayou, and Star Wars Galaxy Set. Once again, please leave it we have fully stopped floors standing up. Thank you. Watch the Bayou. Side the train. Parents, please supervise your children at all times. They also must be fully seated and have small kids sit away from the edges of the bench and the train openings. Our next stop, Toontown Depot.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek and party Princess Tiana is flowing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. And when it comes to safety, the inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, we enjoy Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below.
Okay, my friends, please make sure that the ones are fully seated on their back pockets, no standing on the bench. Thank you.
Hundreds, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, a cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland.
As we make our approach into Toontown Depot, we stay fully seated until the train has made its full and complete stop. This stop also serves Fantasyland attractions, including the Matterhorn. Once again, please wait until the train has made its full and complete stop before standing up. Thank you and welcome to Toontown.
This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Feet and legs inside the train. Parents may supervise your children at all times. They also must be fully seated on their back pockets and have small children sit away from the edges of the bench and the train openings. Our next stop is the world of tomorrow, Tomorrowland.
Yeah, we're gonna go Phoenix and then go like north of Phoenix. They're gonna lock it. So yeah, that side you can see inside, but then if you look here, you can just see how big everything is. Like it's really no, because they have to do look at the size of this, like yeah, they mentioned this one for the holiday. And they're saying I know. Yeah, I guess we gotta look at it. I'll show you guys.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imaginative. Here you'll find rocket ships and star steamers, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autobahn. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Please remain fully seated until the train stop. Once again, please wait until the full stop before standing
I would think.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
As we make our approach at the Main Street station, please remember to stay fully seated until the train has made its full and complete stop. My friends exiting with strollers or wheelchairs, please bear in mind Main Street is a stairs-only station. There are no ramps and no elevators. Once again, please wait until the train has made its full and complete stop before standing on the train to walk to the seat entrance.
You've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us, and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying